Hey everybody, what is going on? Just trying to set up everything as fast as I can. Things are gonna be changing very fast. And if there's something that you know from this channel and crypto, is that welcome to the blood on the streets. No fear, no doubt. Zoom out. This is exactly what it means to be a crypto holder. Welcome, guys. I find it as a good opportunity to take a look at how things are moving right now really, really fast. And I didn't want to be by myself looking at these delicious prices. Some delicious and nice, awesome crashing prices right now. A bunch of huge volatility. There is a lot of volatility right now. There's a lot of videos. There's a lot of content right now. There's a lot of billions of dollars. I have a couple of things to say. I'm very happy to not be alone here. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing right now? I'm gonna pull up Twitter. I'm gonna pull up everything. Let's go ahead and have another great conversation. The title is down. Obviously, we are gonna. I mean, we just saw in the last what is it, 2 hours or so, a 6% down. Obviously, that is major. This is something that I think people are feeling right now. There's a lot of comments, a lot of speculation. So let's see what the crypto market does. I am all here for you guys. How's it going? 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 Wow. So obviously, I actually just finished eating my breakfast. Hopefully, you guys too did as well. And I was looking at the price, and it was like 46 or 47. And I'm like, okay, whatever. I mean, I think it's gonna come back, and then now we're seeing 45, right? So we did have a little bit of a nice pump, 48, almost $49,000, which is the highest price ever since 700 days ago. But I've seen this before. I've seen this before. Guys, I'll show you a couple of things that I think you're going to like a lot. But if you want to bring a lot more people to the table and have a conversation with us, like the video right now, everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Alerts are open. And I think you and I are going to have some crazy day today with this crazy market right now that is obviously moving super fast. What is going on? John, Valentine, Mus, Pakistan in the house, Emily in the house. As you would expect. As you would expect. If you're listening right now, first thing I'm going to tell you, have cash in hand, as I repeated multiple times yesterday. Second thing, do not let what you're watching on the screen right now in the 5 minutes, do not let this scare the lights out of you. Because we just got a Bitcoin spot ETF listed live in the markets. Obviously, a lot of people are going to be trying now to sell. It does mimic all the millions of dollars that whales were sending yesterday to the exchanges. It does make sense. It makes complete sense, guys. And I don't know if it's going to go lower to 44 or to low 45s. It just went to 45 right now. Look at this, 45,700. You're talking that in less than in 1 hour and 30 minutes, the price went down 5%. No, 6%. 6%. It's a lot of money. That is what I was expecting us to pump above. It didn't happen like that. Who cares? More opportunities to dollar cost average, period. That's it. You don't see me solid like a rock. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Crazy markets, everybody. Crazy markets. Bitcoin was very close to passing $1 trillion market cap. Right now, it was 1.80 trillion right now. It's just crazy, man. Like, if you wanted to sleep a little longer today, waking up at 11:10, you just lost the party. It all happened at 7:50 a.m. all the way from 7:50. So let's see, from 7:50 here in Texas, of course, all the way to like in 1 hour. In 1 hour, we gained 4%. So I just love crypto, man. The way it works, the way it works. I love it. I love it. I want to give you better news, guys. I mean, these are good news, but I want to give you better news, man. I want to give you news that it's an Oscar pump. Let's go ahead and have an amazing, spectacular, ballistic time. But it seems that Bitcoin still doesn't want to give us that yet. Man. So it frustrates me a little bit, but we've been waiting already a long time. So I think we can wait a lot more. I think you know where I'm coming from, right? I think you know where I'm coming from. Welcome, everybody. Happy to hear you here. JB in the house. I must be missing something, Crow, and a lot of my assets are up. Yes. As of right now, I'm seeing that altcoins are actually, we're up, a lot up today. Cronos went to 96. Now look at it right now. 96 cents. Even my boys, guys. Even my boys. I'm gonna leave it right here so we see right clearly and vividly. Wow. I don't even have the music. That's how, like, okay, let's go ahead and talk to people, right? Let's get everybody together in one channel. Now, I'm gonna open up Twitter now, but I know that there's already billions of dollars trading in volume. Now that we have it live, now that we have them approved, now that things are now finally working, we find ourselves in $46,000, a price that we already had before, a price that is nothing special. We reached $49,000, well, close to $49,000, which is a price that I really, really like. It is once again a reminder that people will always prefer profits than long-term investing because they know we're all are watching. We're all are watching. Pump and dump, ETF denied. No. It's approved. It's just people, want to see that. It's exciting. It's exciting. Welcome, guys. So happy to have you. So happy to have you. The good things, let's go ahead and now finally do this. There you go. All right. So we got the charts right here. Wherever it goes, we'll be here. We're down a little bit. Crypto crashing a bit. I'll go ahead and get on board with all the things that are moving on the markets. So the 10 fresh spot Bitcoin ETFs they've seen 1.3 billion in trading volume. Bito record right now. It's a lot of money coming in. 2 billion in the first hours. Records are falling. Okay. I like this. Stock money lizards always comes with the alpha. Finally, sell the news. Some point correction is needed. Agree. All profits need to be taken. Agree. Traders exit and new ones enter the market. Agree. I agree. Yes. So it's all part of the plan. It's all has to happen this way. So sell the news. It's what's going on right now. How low it's gonna go, we're about to see it. We're about to see how low it's gonna go, guys. It's now $45,000. It is official a crash. It can be a flash crash, but it's officially a crash because we're looking at a 6%. So it can be categorized as a nice crash correction. Crypto Pilot. I'm sorry, buddy. You don't know what you're talking about. Goodbye. Very good. Hello, Oscar. First buy with the ETF, and then we'll be lost already with the ETF. Then Crow will hit a dollar. Crow will hit a dollar. Absolutely. It's going below 40, 42. We'll watch. We'll watch for sure. Should be fun, guys. Having cash in hand always helps. It will eventually go up as soon as the trading starts taking place. It will go up eventually, I know, $50,000 and above. But as of right now, we're seeing some delicious prices, guys. Love it. Bitcoin crashing as of right now, and we love it. It's not bad. It's just the opportunities for us to dollar cost average. That's it. And I'm looking at the news. So let's enjoy that, right? I mean, I'm happy here. Look, this is what we saw today. Like some people saw it. $49,000. Like it was trading live, but immediately, they're like, sell them. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and move me because there you go. That's much better. That is much better. Boom. All right. Love it. So, welcome everybody. We're already getting all set up here for a nice Bitcoin down crash live, whatever correction is. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin is not going to go back to 49. It just means that we have a nice opportunity to have a very cheaper Bitcoin in our hands. That's what it means. You don't want to see it crashing? Hey, join the club, of course. 50 to $55,000. 50 to $55,000. Like I said, nobody expects more red candles, big red candles. I don't think people expect some very nasty red candles, right? We just started trading live right now. So, what if? And if that's the case, Oscar Ramos is live, guys. That's what it is. We're watching and we're seeing because you never know. I'm not a genie, guys. If I was, I wasn't doing. I wouldn't be doing this. Believe me, I'm no genie. But we're here in the moment. We're here live, and here we're watching, and $45,861 right now, selling still. Those are facts. Sorry for your emotions, for your feelings, but these are the facts. That's it. We love the facts always. Boom, boom, boom. Exciting, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button for me, everybody. Let's get more people in the house right now as we're watching sell-off occur. Sell-off and nice, beautiful, delicious sell-offs. We love the sell-offs because they give us opportunity to have some cheap Bitcoin. Block Swan ETF, right? It happens. You doubled your wallet. What is it? Already a large bag of Crow profits. Love it. Don't sell. It's coming back as always. Look back, and then when I sold in the past, then afterward push higher. Of course, of course, of course. Gary Gensler is telling you to sell. Gary Gensler is telling you to sell because they don't like Bitcoin. They don't like Bitcoin. We like Bitcoin. Pretty crazy stuff, guys, that we're seeing right now. But we're here and we're not leaving. We're not leaving, guys. Oh, plus today we got the CPI data too. Nobody was looking at that, of course, but today we got the CPI. It went higher than expectations. Actually, I'll find it soon. I'll find it soon. Let's go ahead and check the news. So Spot ETF trading surpasses $1.74 billion in the first hour of listing. So that was about an hour plus ago, which we know it changed the whole dynamic. And it's great to see finally some pumps coming up our way in the very first hours of the trading day. Very good. I need to charge my phone. 45. Glad I already bought. I already bought, so I'm feeling good. Some of you already, putting some really prices as well, so that's great. Go ahead and bring the crypto bubbles right now. Bitcoin is actually 1.1% up. Ethereum is 6.2% up. $2,500 went all the way to $2,600. So we're doing good. We're doing good in the macro, right? In the 1 hour, everything starts down. So just to give you the volatility, guys. 1 hour right now is down, and the 1 day is up. Classic crypto, man. Classic, beautiful crypto that we're seeing right now on the screen. Holding 300,000 crore past 2 years. Let's go. They tanked it. 46, 136. Oh, yes. The volatility is going to be here. Absolutely. Ooh. No sound. They hear me. They hear me. Corgi AI. A lot of different tokens. That's what I like to see right now. Big, massive flash crashes, guys, going our way. And that's something that we like. We enjoy. Bitcoin. There you go. Very good. That's exactly what we want to do. Because it's better when you get ahead of the game and buy some cheap crypto instead of waiting the massive 50,000 Bitcoin. And that's actually something that I like. Instead of buying $50,000 Bitcoin right now, you're buying it at a discount. Let's go ahead and ask our fam, our community. Bitcoin soon. Let's see, we have a lot of bears or bulls here. Let's just see. We love that, guys. Always good to be live and looking at how things are gonna move. Welcome, welcome. A lot of volatility. We like the volatility. Based on what I know, I mean, usually that could be the lowest price, 45,730, and going back up to 47 or so. I mean, oh man. But there's something inside of me that I want more crashing. I love the blood on the streets, guys. I honestly love the blood on the streets. This is absolutely the scare paper hands. Want to scare all the paper hands right now out of the water, get them out. And we got a lot of them, honestly. So go ahead and first, I'm going to go ahead and find some good news here on my right. So this is BlackRock. They are celebrating that they're listed now. iShares by BlackRock. So all of them celebrating that it's now fully live. And here we are looking at the prices. A lot of them will make a bunch of money. That's for sure. A lot of them will make a bunch of money. $3.5 billion in the first 3 hours. Thank you, Crypto Robber. Appreciate that a lot. Like I said, welcome. Not enough blood. It will crash more, you're saying. Beautiful. IBIT, that's BlackRock, has the most total new ETFs, whole complex. That's Grayscale, that's Bito too. It's a lot of money, man. Wow. There's a lot of money involved right here. Billions of dollars in the first 3 hours. So I think by the market's close, we should be having, in the vicinity of $5 to $6 billion. It's a lot of people buying, of course, which is what we wanted. We just gotta wait a little longer, and the price should come at us with a nice rally candle to the moon. That's what I'm expecting, everybody, right? That's what I'm expecting. That's the thing, what a lot of people are expecting. Hey, what do you think? What's going on? Net trading? Happy to see you. Some good tokens that you're posting in the chat. Very good. 6% down, and I wanted more blood on the streets, but it might just get uncertain right now. 48. So it's always positions right now are growing, are moving. And it's always important, guys, to take a chance on these opportunities, because you won't have them. We're going higher. They're just trying to delay it. That's it. Bitcoin soon too. 66% of you guys is saying $50,000. The best thing about this, guys, is that if the best crash bears have right now is $45,000, that is absolutely nothing. You go to the 4 hours, we can see that it's just a little tiny red candle. Little tiny red candle. Right? So we have a long way to go for the previous support levels. 42,000, 44,000. Nice, delicious flash crash today doesn't mean that it's over. It's just a great opportunity to get some good positions before we rip, like we did earlier today. That's what it means, because we're basically at a price since, even before when they were approved and listed. We're going back to a price, and this must just be the last consolidation that you and I have prior a nice rally that it should be coming either this week, the weekend, the next week. But I think as of now, there's a lot of nuance with the spot ETFs that the price of Bitcoin might not just see it yet. All of that money that left to exchanges has to come back. So people are more optimistic and they start rallying the price. Very good, guys. It's exciting. What's going on, Alan? Happy to see you. Welcome. Let's go. Tapping your Cronos app with another grant to fill up my crow back a bit more. Well done, guys. Well done. That is what massive traders do, because you want to get in once we see this nice crashes, basically. Showing you on the screen some tokens that we follow. Corgi AI. What do we have? XRP at 5% up, almost 60 cents. We have Dogecoin at almost 8%, which is nice. Shiba Inu with 6%. So they all did really good. They all did really, really good earlier today, but just for right now, they're coming down as it always happens. As it always happens, guys. Cronos, 96, 5%, and then down. I said yesterday, everybody, congrats to all the Cronos holders. We're going to go higher. Black, shout out to Oscar. Thank you for all the interest in my ETF. See you later. Appreciate you guys for being here. Thanks a lot. You said it was going to run yesterday. It never happened. It got delayed to $49,000 earlier today. The beautiful thing about being a crypto investor is that you have to expect for everything, right? Sometimes nobody's going to be making any predictions, which is very weird to say, but the price is going to go to the sky very quickly. And that happens, guys, because that's how the market works. I think a lot of mature investors know, and like me, they're just excited to finally see Bitcoin move fast. Like it wasn't moving fast at all months ago, years ago. It was just crashing and collapsing. But when you zoom out, you get to see the real story that Bitcoin is going higher. And this early liquidity volatility is just part of the process. It's just part of the process. That's it, guys. Hey, Taylor, happy to see you. Welcome. It's exactly what we're here for doing. To kill all the shorts and longs. Is that what it is? Traders massacre. Yeah, it's part of the process too. It's a lot of people betting a lot of money for the price to go crickets and high. Is knowing that people sell off immediately. They go back to a nice price consolidation level. In this case, $45,000. And at that point, they want to go back up. That's what they want to do. I'm going to go ahead and add a Fibonacci retracement here. Because as we can tell, I mean, we're looking really, really good. And we're not down as bad as I thought of right now, honestly. We're not that bad. So I'm going to start it from here. A bottom price on December 11th, which is a month ago. A month ago price. We're looking at a nice rally all the way here. Gives me a reason to see why the price stopped at $45,000, which that is exactly a price of a 38% retracement level. So like a T, like exactly as planned based on the Fibonacci levels, guys, from the bottom here all the way to the top. It's been 30 days, exactly 30 days. Let's go high right now. Let's go much closer. You see that? I know there's a bunch of lines, but just give me a break here for a second. Going all the way back to $48,000, $49,000, doing the Fibonacci retracement, it adds some lines mathematically possible just to have an idea of how the retracements can come, right? Nothing is guaranteed, but just gives us some lines where you can prepare some positions, some sell traders, some sell triggers, and buy opportunities. So today, just today, we went past this extremely fast. Not surprising. In the last 2 hours, we just see red all over. Hey, El Sal, welcome. Thank you very much for coming to the live. Appreciate that a lot. Welcome, welcome. We're here, guys, because I think that's what people want to see too. There's a bunch of need for just stay plugged in with the news and the community. And right now, this is what's happening right now. So this Fibonacci retracement, based on what I just drew, it does give me a confirmation, right, that this is a level that we can take as support. This is a level that we can take as support and just hovering right there. How far do you see Solana memes? Hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate it, Alan. Thank you very much and welcome. There's 68%, over 200 people voting, and they're saying we're going to $50,000 next. That makes total sense, guys. We've been here before. We've been low. We've been high. We always end up on top. We're still way ahead. I'm looking for the balls to get the loose really loose. Yeah. Good corrections, good flash crashes. That's exactly what we need. WF, what's going on, buddy? Happy to see you guys. We're live today. We're making videos. We're making updates. We're telling people what is going on. And there's people making money. That's what I can tell you. There's people making money really, really nice. Grayscale releases a new spot Bitcoin ETF. Commercial.
About the world's largest Bitcoin ETF. Diversifying into Bitcoin? Type GBTC into your investment account today, or ask your financial advisor about the world's largest Bitcoin ETF. Ticker GBTC. Bitcoin investing begins here.
They're all gonna come, guys. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. BlackRock, US head of active equity, says they're excited and focused in the long term of their spot Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale coming out really quick and posting 6 minutes ago. Just 6 minutes ago. And Watch Guru already is like, here it is. Exciting. 15 years ago. What is this? That gives each coin a value of $10 million. Oh, man. A lot of people. Congrats to these two Bitcoin bulls. Katie Wood on the right and Michael Saylor on the left. Young looking people, guys. And now they're billionaires. Classic crypto bulls. Classic crypto bulls. Oh, it's exciting, guys. What we're seeing right now on the screen. It's exciting. It's good. 8 billion, and now it's already at 3 point something, 3.5 billion, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's exactly right. That's exactly right, Bitcoin Archive. The highest price that we've seen, $49,000 since 2021. Just think about that for a second. Like, that speaks volumes, because now that it was reached, just let this flash crash consolidation settle. It's going much higher soon. It's going much higher soon. That's the idea. Do you believe VVS Finance and Tectonic will 10x? Yes. Yes. No worries, Emily. I got you. To the moon, Matthias says. To the moon. Let's go. Much higher. XRP ETF next. I know, right? That'll be super crazy. In the 1 hour, we start seeing some green. Soon, we're going to change to another hour. Come on. We want some more bread. Give me the $45,000 more right now. I want more blood on the streets. Can't believe it. Go ahead and like this video right now if you want more blood on the streets, man. Let me go ahead and ask that. I think that's a great question. Or am I the only one? What do you want right now, everybody? Quick and fast. We got 500 people watching. 500 votes immediately. Everybody's like, no, Oscar, no, we want pump, we want pump. Please give us the money. Don't call for more blood on the streets. Some nice green grass. Jay Calvin. I got you, man. I got you. I don't know. It's the greedy in me. It's the greedy in me. We kind of like, we just definitely not. Time to make some money. Matthew is saying, got it, man. I totally get it, fam. I totally get it. You know that you some blood on the street. It's never a bad idea. But I think you can tell me, come on, Oscar. We've been waiting years for green grasses. Chill out. I get it completely. 46. 46. Either some allergies to the blood in the market, who knows? But I rested really well, everybody, and I'm so happy. What is the best platform for day trading? I know KuCoin is good. I have a link for BingX down below. Binance, of course, super cheap. Just to give you an idea. Pump, Errol says. I want the pump. I got you, man. I got you. I'm going to get some more water. Be back. Yes. Feels good. Love it. I needed that water. That's good. All right. I think feeling much better now. I think it's time for some much needed and deserved blood pumps. Just like this. Once again, $45,000, everybody. At $45,000, they don't want to let us go, man. They don't want to let us just come on 40 once again. Like, well, I mean, we're live and we're watching every step of the way. Every step of the way we're watching right now. Oh, yes. Down the market we go. Now the big crypto players have to play with other big players. I think the crypto don't be crypto like in the future. What's going on, Fury? Wiping out all the longs. Yeah, bro. They want their money bad. They want their money super bad right now. Oh, so happy I had some good breakfast, man, because woo, fun's happening today. Let's take a look at the news. There's always going on here. One of the best goals in football history. Cristiano, he is with Binance, by the way. So I'm pretty sure that he is super excited that, you know, crypto is moving. 1 hour ago, 220 play for Bitcoin price per Max Kaiser. Who is this guy? I'm not sure, but $220,000 play. American broadcaster and filmmaker. I've been bullish on Bitcoin since $1. I'm still bullish. In 2011, I called $100,000 Bitcoin was a virtual guarantee. I've created more Bitcoin millionaires globally than any other individual. I was not aware of this person, actually. Wow. Oh, he's old now. Well, obviously, right? Because I didn't know who he was. Wow, it's pretty cool. 58 seconds ago, really? Tweeted this? Oh. Wow. Really exciting. BlackRock Ethereum ETF is next. Probably two. Probably two, yeah. It's coming really, really fast. Oh, the tunes, fam. The tunes. They're here. $900 billion. Bitcoin. Good job. Yeah. Oh, really? Look at Binance CEO tweet. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, bro. $21 million transfer from Coinbase to Gemini. All right. $45,000 Bitcoin, everybody. Are you liking these prices? Are you liking these prices? Saying, guys, we love it. The trading has begun. And obviously, I like blood on the streets. Do not waste today. Buy Bitcoin. Buy crypto, guys. Now, people are saying, wait for it to get worse. We've been going up since the last 6 months by under $40,000. Well, according to my 200 votes, 35% of you guys want more blood. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. Ah, guys, so crazy what we're seeing in these prices. I miss the days where I was live and the price was pumping. Every time I go live, the price never pumping. Lately, I mean, in other occasions, it was pumping with some other altcoins, but nowadays with Bitcoin, it's hard to find it pumping, man. It's just like consolidating right now, kind of chill, not moving that much. Either it's not crashing or it's just consolidated. People taking profits to then few days later buy more with the profits money. 100%. 100%. Opening was a killer. The FOMO buyers, now we wait for the correction. Also, never buy IPOs on opening day. Facts. Anonymous coming here with the facts, with the truth. Appreciate that a lot, brother. Thank you. Sell the news. That's what's going on right now. They're selling the news. Max Kaiser. 50,000 Bitcoin today. Look at this. Greenpeace releases new Bitcoin environmental FUD. New Bitcoin ETFs will make it easier to invest in climate destruction. Wow. What do you think about that? Extreme greed, baby. Extreme greed. Extreme greed. Bitcoin is this close of breaking that that floor of $45,000. It just takes one big whale to cash out, sell, and let everybody suffer and perish with a bunch of sell-offs and blood on the streets. That's what it means, guys, right now. Just takes one big fat whale to do it. One big fat whale to do it, guys. Looking how the markets and everyone reacting right now. So it's exciting to see the markets play out for us. It is what it is. It happens. The updates always continue. Nice. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Oscar Ramos Live, telling you the latest and what really is going on, because that's what we all want to know. Whether we're going high or low. Well, in reality, they're wanting to crash the market one more time before things get much better. That's what I can tell you. Wanted to crash the market one more time. It's part of the process, guys. I'm looking at the latest updates here. Prices going higher. That's what people like on the news outlets. Let's go to the altcoins. Shiba Inu surges 12.63%. Here's why. Well, because of Bitcoin. That's exactly why. Q4 progress report. Nice. Traders buy $9 million of Solana meme coin dog with hat, but loses over 60% to slippage. What? Crazy. Solana meme coin dog with hat. You know, the crazy tokens do extremely well, and the ones that have all the utility do not. How in the world that makes sense, right? Never makes sense. But it is what it is. I'm going to take a look at DeFi, how chains are doing right now. And position 12 Cronos with $343 million. Wow. Why is it going? It's the only one that's down. Crazy. Really? Wow. It's pretty crazy. Manta is doing really well right now. Let me show you this. DeFi Llama, all the chains you're seeing right now. This is all the money that we're seeing right now, of course. Ethereum putting some really 21% month change is doing really well. Tron 7%, Arbitron 15%, Solana 60. Solana is 5. Whoa, that's crazy. That's so awesome. A lot of money. Wait, where's the TVL? Oh, it's not showing up here. Wow, Solana is 5 already? It's crazy stuff. That's a lot of money going to Solana. Solana was right next to Cronos at some point. And now it's in position 5. Wow. Which protocol is doing really well? Jito. Camino. Oh, wow. They have a lot of great protocols right there in Solana. It's doing really, really well for them right now. Manta. What in the world? They have $427 million. Look at this. Boom. Wow. Layer bank. Lending. That lending protocol exploded. Wow. Cronos holders, we need to step up. Our Cronos still at 343, and look at this. Flat. We're missing a lot of more liquidity, man. We're missing a lot more liquidity. Wow. Yeah. We're wearing the Chrono shirt. We're here strong. But I'll tell you what it is, guys. I'll tell you the facts. I'm not hiding the facts for anything. Fulcrum is the one green. Corona Swap, XY Finance. We need more liquidity. That's for sure. Base is also doing well. Optimism decent. Wow. Bitcoin is about to pass us. Well, Cardano doing decent too. So this is decentralized finance, everybody. The total value locked in all chains. Ethereum still, after all this time, winning with roughly $32 billion. And you're seeing right now on the screen how it's been from $20 billion all the way to $30+ billion. And it's being all the way to $90 billion in the peak of the bull market right there. So it could be looking at, as we're heading once again back to those great levels. That's what it is. That's what it is. But I'll tell it to you guys. We don't hide the facts. The facts are clear. Definitely Cronos has been one of my main projects that I cover, that I like, that I think has so much potential. It's one that it should be put in better numbers now. But there's just gives you an idea how competitive the market is nowadays. It's not like we have a guaranteed win, right? Not even having crypto.com as a partner is enough. There must be more coming in to make our blockchain perform the best. That's it. Wow. Look at this, guys. 2.9%. This is the actual price of Bitcoin, 51,000. Really? Why? 51,000? Max loves him some spot ETF. I mean, not this. I can almost tell you guys that we're going to go and have an amazing godlike candle like they're predicting already, some of the experts too, and the people that have been in this space for such a long time. It's just that they just want to make sure they get all the paper hand needed. IBIT. Oh, okay, let's bring it. IBIT. Where is it? Here. All. IBIT. iShares Bitcoin Trust. There it is. What you're watching on the screen right now is the iShares. It went to 26. It was 29. That's crazy. This was 6 minutes ago. Changed 21%, $25 million. Pivot, Grayscale, $30 million. Volume. You know, someone told me that now that the Bitcoin ETFs are live, the price of Bitcoin was going to be more stable. We are seeing somewhat like that happening as of right now. Go ahead and reload this. Price of Bitcoin, it's inside this bubble and it doesn't want to break out so easily. $46,000 right now after all of this news. It's kind of weird to hear. It's kind of weird to receive. Right? Look at this. I have a retirement account with Vanguard. I call them and I say, they say they will not be offering any Bitcoin ETFs. I'm working on transferring assets out of them. Then I will close my Vanguard account. Terrible business decision by Vanguard. Goodbye, Vanguard. Some people are saying 220 in play for Bitcoin. They want Bitcoin to explode and have maximum level greed. That's the idea. You go on if you lost everything. Oscar, are you holding any gaming projects? Loy, which by the way, I'm talking to them in a couple more hours. And I think a little bit of Gala. Not really, not many. Most Cronos and other ones. Yep. Good question. Where's the party going to be at after the palm, Oscar? Ricardo, the Cronos party. Join the $1 Crow party group and I'll tell you. Probably in the US, guys. I have stopped trusting scams. Oscar isn't going to contact you directly. 100%. 100%. What's going on? I don't even know. Lost everything because I trusted this guy. Oh, really? Watch out, buddy. I barely see your text, your post here. Yeah, that's not me. That is not me, bro. I mean, at this point, I will assume that most people will follow my blue check because we're paying for that, you know? And we do that because we want to take care of our community and make sure that you are waiting for news from those blue check accounts. If somebody contacts you from another account that doesn't have a blue check, that's a scam. I can see 3 already. What's this? There's 3 accounts. There's 3 accounts, guys. No way. Really? And just the ones that didn't block me. Just the ones that didn't, because there's so many more that have blocked me, guys, which is crazy. So as soon as you see the blue check, that's me. Okay. So FYI, that's a lesson learned for those who probably are still coming into the market. Oscar, if Crow hits $1 and you have a Crow fan party, I am coming over from the UK. Dr. Crypto. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Thanks so much, Dr. Crypto. Who is selling Bitcoin? I know. It is what it is. This bank believes that $50 to $100 billion could be flown into Bitcoin ETFs in 2024. If that happens, Bitcoin could hit $200,000 by the end of 2025. What do you think? Let me in. Like, okay, so where is it? We're waiting for those pumps. There's like 9 Oscar Ramos in my X. Really? Oh, man, that's crazy. That is pretty crazy. All right, fam. That's a good one. That's 1 hour live for us watching the prices of Bitcoin. And as of right now, the price is red, consolidated, and it may have some more volatility ahead. I wanted to come and say hi to all of you guys for a while. I'm going to continue working on stuff, and I'm coming back up again live in a few more hours with an AMA. So should be exciting. All right, should be really exciting. Got to rest my eyes too. So taking it lightly today. We got the Bitcoin approved. We got the Bitcoin live already. There's obviously going to be some type of volatility, but it's coming up with us more powerful. Have always cash on hand, fam, as always. Thanks a lot for your kind support. Thanks a lot for the donations, the subscriptions, the new viewers and subscribers. You guys are the best. And we'll be here once Bitcoin does the total opposite of today. Flash crashing, corrections, it's all needed before we go to the moon. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace. Let's go. And the winner is more pump, 66%. 470 volts. Thanks, guys. Love you all.